Tonight we're going to do rainbow trout. Not too long ago I caught a nice rainbow trout, you can see right here, and we're going to, it's just had its insides done, no gills. Very nice fish. Problem is it's going to be a little too big for the pan. So I'm going to try and get away with just cutting the head off. Normally I'd cook it with the head, the whole thing, but won't fit in the pan this time, so I'm just going to fighting me back here. Okay, so we have the fish nice. We're going to wash it off, rinse it off, cold water. There we go. Let it dry. And we're going to use a little salt and pepper. We'll start on the inside. Hit the outside. Salt. Now we have some garlic powder. A little on the outside. Garlic powder. And last but not least, some onion powder. And I really like the onion taste. I put that on a little thicker. There we go. We're all ready to go to the pan. Okay, we're back at the stove. I've got a nice thick cast iron pan. I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to want that to get nice and warm. Yeah, I sometimes cut the butter up and it melts a little faster. Our butter and our oil are nice and hot here. Just going to put my fish right in. Oh, I should have maybe cut off the tail, but I think I'll leave it and see if I can get it to work. Now, I have it over a medium-high heat. We will get a little crust on this. But we want to do it a little slower. It's a bigger fish. It's got a little meat up here to get through, and you do want your fish totally cooked. So we'll just keep an eye on it, and we'll come back in just a few minutes. Well, I think this is the time to see if we can give this young man a sip. There we go. Starting to open up. Okay, we'll keep on cooking this. It'll be done not too long, not too long. Okay. Our fish has been cooking now. I've been basting it in this oil and butter. I'm going to, one more time I'm going to flip it over. Come on, Dale. Now this is the time when I would take a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the lemon juice right onto my trout. The juice with the hot oil and the butter kind of caramelizes in there and gives it a very unique taste. I don't have any lemons, so I'm using lemon juice. So we're going to pretend, oh, there's a squeeze of lemon. Oh, yeah. And just be a minute or two more, and this will be able to take to the table and eat. Looking good. It's smelling great. Be right back. Okay, our fish is done. Just get it right under there. Bring it over to our plate. Oh, that's nice. Get a little. Okay, trout has a few bones here, so we're going to try and fillet this. We're going to start, here's its dorsal fin. We're just going to cut straight down. Come on, release. I think it's almost right there. There we go, come on. Open up. And then right here. I'm going to try and get this out. And there's your fish bone. Now, there are going to be some small bones in here, so do watch it. Some leftover small bones, especially if you want to take the little fins away. That's what we want. It's going to be beautiful and delicious. Okay, here we go. I made some scalloped potatoes to go with our fish tonight. Something kind of quick. Looks like it could have stood a little more time to harden up there, but here's our fish. This is really the star of the show. And
yeah, look, yummy, huh? Wow, looks
here
so yummy.
we go.
Yeah, this is my share.
Boy, I made a mess of that.
That's alright.
Okay, but I can already see there's some bones. But this meat right here, no bones.
Looks delicious, huh?
Oh, it is good. It's good. And yes, I'm eating with my hands. In the Philippines, this is not considered being rude. This is just sometimes how you eat. And if you're picking around bones, it sometimes helps to be doing it with your hands. If not, do it entirely with your fork and be neat, but enjoy life.
Alright, enjoy the meal. Bye, guys.
Good. There again. watch out. There are some bones. They're pretty obvious, so just pick them out. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you again real soon.